playing an FM, but he's higher rated. Alright, chat, let's do it. Hello, so-face in disguise. You come here often? Thank you, Marshmallow. Appreciate you. Okay. Keep up the pace, boats. Nah, I'm... Okay, let's play with knight d7. I don't like the exchange line, which is... He's probably not even gonna go for it because it's not that good for white, but I just kind of messed up my theory on it. Okay, let's go this way. Let's play a5 so that he doesn't play b4. Let's get my knight over to c5. Now what? Do I kick this bishop out? What about knight e6? Bishop e6. I don't think he's gonna take. And I'm gonna play queen d7. Oh god. Alright, we gotta kick the bish. This bish needs to get kicked. And one more time, unfortunately. Kick the bish. And now if I go here, kick the queen too. Alright. Let's activate the rook. I thought he might kick me. I kicked him, he kicked me. Everybody count 2, 3. Bishop h5 or bishop d7? I think bishop d7 is probably better, and we're gonna hold this square. Oh yeah, this music is taking me. Music is ascending me. Okay. Queen e7. The knight gets here, it is kind of annoying. c6, I lose a pawn, so what about here? Let's play knight e6. Oh shit, I gave him f5. That was a big mistake. You can tell I'm not as sharp as I used to be in my prime. Okay, knight f8. We're gonna take here. That's fine. Oh, we're a little bit low on time. Okay. Let me catch up on time, chat. We need to fix this situation. Honestly, I already gave up that pawn, so now I'm gonna push c6 and control these two squares. The pins, mate. They're so annoying. He's being very annoying. I'm gonna pull a ballsy move on him. I'm gonna have to take with a king if he does this. And if he doesn't, then I'm gonna protect my bishop. He's calculating it. Okay, a little Trader-Ruski never hurt anybody. That's annoying. Okay, let's get out of there. I am not digging this pin. If he takes with the rook, I take here. If not, I'm gonna give him a little Checker-Ruski, make him feel the burn, baby. If he takes with the pawn, we're gonna take the knight. Okay. happened. Dude, I got so lucky. My little king was just marching forward, chilling on G6, and he was like, this is 2020. I'm a progressive king, baby. King F5, come at me. Okay, I really hoped he was gonna play rook F1. This was actually because knight E3 holds both of these. It holds everything. Oh no, now I'm really hyped, chat. I don't get so hyped this often. Why didn't he take your rook? I'll show you. So if he